this is just a quick video to show the rotary encoder I've been using that's made from a magnetic angle sensor. So this is a radio that's based on the SI4732 radio IC. This circuit is designed to use one of these cheap rotary encoders. So we'll start off with that. I'll turn up the volume. Hopefully you can hear that. And, you know, as you can see, it works okay. This particular encoder has 20 detents or steps. Okay. What I'll do next is swap over to the MT6701QT magnetic encoder that I've paired with bits of an old volume control. So this sensor has a quadrature output as well, like the mechanical encoder, and I've programmed it so in its built-in EEPROM to have the equivalent of 50 detents. So we'll swap it over. Let's power it off for the moment. So we need connections to ground, 3.3 volts. This is our A and B connections. Okay, we got it centered up. Turn it back on. As you can see, it's pretty simple to swap over. There was no code changes involved. I'll turn the radios on. And, okay. I'll do that again, this time plug it into the 3.3 volts and not ground. So here we go.
Different homewares or something and do.
So as you can see, it's simple to swap over, and it works pretty well. What I like about it is that it's very smooth to use and should work reliably for much longer, and it was very cheap. You can find out more about this project on my blog, and I'll put the link in the description.